Can he defend it? Last time he had plentiful runs to defend, but can he do it today? Shahpur Zadran has bowled 3 overs and has given away 28 runs with 1 wicket to his name. Economy is 9.33 and they only need 6 runs.
Tahir was vivid against him, getting 4-6-4 to his credit and changing the game dramatically. And now, can he bring the things back? More structuring, restructuring in the field. Shahzad is involving in, and here we go. Tahir has the strike. What is the message from Gulbuddin? Take a single or go for the big shot straight away. More changes happening. Third man up in the circle. Fine leg up in the circle. Back to the point inside the circle. Man at the extra cover inside the circle. What is the option? He goes with that lovely strike. One bounce to the fielder on the boundary. He will take a single. That will present the opportunity to Gulbuddin to finish the game and also getting to his half century. Gulbuddin on 47 of 23. Half century on cards and an opportunity to finish the game with a 6.
They have 5 balls to play with. They don't have to do any unnecessary thing. It's their game to lose from here. They've brought it very close. Gulbuddin Naib on 47. 5 runs required. What is going to be the next ball? Is this going to be the ball? Can they contain them? Can they come back, Missy Ainak? Gulbuddin Naib misses this. Swing and a miss.
He knows opportunity has gone. He knows there's still 4 deliveries to go, so has to find the right ball, and that's a full toss. That was suitable height for him, but was committed into the shot early. That was a slower, widest delivery from Shahpur Zadran. 5 to win from 4 balls. He should feel quite comfortable about his opportunity of finishing this one. They've been playing together for more than a decade at international level. So they are so much aware about each other's strengths and weaknesses, about the mindset. They know that how cool and calm and collected Gulbuddin is. What is the nature of delivery he wants to produce here?
The crowd must be on their toes. You sitting in front of a television might be on your toes. What is this going to be? It's a maximum. Is it? Has it cleared the field? No, it hasn't. Fielder's conversion.
Oh, he's dropped the catch.
Drop the catch. Everything happening out there.
2 runs taken. Opportunity there once again in the field. Had to cover a lot of ground to get there to take the catch. Gulbuddin going for the big booming shot, slicing it over. It was in the air for a long time. Fieldsman came in, reached there, but couldn't grasp it. That's the pressure for you. Pressure. Who responds better? So Gulbuddin has 49, getting to his half century. Can he finish the game with a boundary, or is he thinking about taking a single? Taking a single won't be a good thing to do at this juncture of the game. The amount of experience that Shahpur has.
Missy Ainak have been very generous. They've already offered them 2 chances. Come on, can you finally make your 50 and take this game away from Missy Ainak Knights? That what must they be saying? You can't be giving away chances. That was a tough one. Yes, indeed, it was high in the air. But what's on this ball? What's it going to be, 50 or not? York length.
And there is a single. And there is a single. We'll have to wait for a signal from the umpire. It's coming off the bat. So 50 is raised, and there comes the celebration. And there comes the celebration from the teammates and the fans also alike. What an entertaining innings from him.
Who did he pose to? The fans or Shahzad Mohammadi? This has been a very wonderful contest. He stayed at the crease. He's anchored the innings.
26 deliveries he's taken for his 50 at his strike rate of 192. Now more message that was cool celebration, the celebration that he always does whenever he picks up wicket. It will be very interesting how he's going to celebrate the win. This he was taken for runs from Shahzad. There was this confrontation, there was heat, exchange of words, and Shahzad then taking on, getting stuck and smashing some boundaries of his bowling, getting 100. This has been a match-winning 50 already from Gulbuddin.
Can it be the match winning? Because Shahpur Zadran has come back really strong in this last over. He's already created a chance. He's only given away 4 runs. There are still 2 more runs required. 1 run will bring it to the level. And can we see a super over?
Worked away on the onside. He's going to take a single. Gulbuddin will have the strike. He will have the strike. There is a bit of fumble there while collecting the ball. So it's scores level. 1 to win of the final delivery. 1 to win of the final delivery. Gulbuddin had a strike. What a day it has turned out to be. Earlier Shahzad with his bat exploding in the death overs, and now Gulbuddin on a strike. The captain of the side, the captain of the other side, Messianic Knights, is bowling. More conference, more talking, more options suggested to the captain.
I tell you what, they did not allow Bande Amir chase it down in winning it with the margin of only 1 run. But are we going to see the super over for the first time in play at this Isarat 4G Pakiza Cricket League 2020? Gulbuddin Naib, this is the man that the post defenders will want to be on the strike to face the last ball.
Get more fieldsmen inside the circle to stop that single. They need just one of the last delivery. Tap and run. That could be the option. More fieldsmen inside the circle. So look at the offside field for they got men at the short third-man region. Men not far away from the batsman on 10 to 15 yards into the offside position. They're asking the fieldsmen from the point region to come inside the circle. At the backward point region. More people into the offside field inside the circle, and also close to the batsman, not far away. Tap and run is the opportunity. Mid-wicket is not far away from him, and mid-on is also coming inside the 30-yard circle and further in. They got fine leg inside the circle. Single boundary. What is the option? He's thinking everything. Can he summon up the delivery to cash on the wicket here? No, he hits it. He hits it into the gap. He's going to celebrate it like anything. What an innings!
Wow.
What a celebration!
Look at the celebration. Look at the celebration. They look pumped up, and why not? The dugout looks very much happy. He looks angry and happy. He's made it.
Very Shahzad is looking at his fans also. It was a superlative innings from Mohammad Shahzad. Then the confrontation, the contest, the competition for places, and that's where he has tried once again under pressure. From unlikely situation, he has delivered the punch for his team. Gulbuddin Naib, this is how he finished. Most of the fieldsmen inside the circle. He hit that one in the air, but into the gap, and he was pumped up. He celebrated with full gusto. What a win for the team, most defenders. This has been a miraculous day out for Gulbuddin and his team.